still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the French curls extension using the expression braiding hair. The colors I'll be using will be the color 30 and color 27, like this. First of all, what we want to do is take your hair, depending on the length that you want to cut it. I'll be cutting this into 2. If you want it shorter, you want to cut it into 3. After cutting that into 2, you go ahead and feather that out a little bit, so you have the ends that it will help you to tie around the rod that you're going to be using. So after feathering that out, you want to make sure that you brush it so you don't have any tangle. So guys, I went ahead and do another one for the white color that I had. Okay guys, this is what I have after it's all stretched out. We want to go ahead and tie this with scrunchies like this one, because we'll be putting this in hot water. If you have a flat iron, you can go ahead and flat iron this. It will still give you the same result. But I'll be putting this in hot water because everyone can afford to have hot water around. So that's why I'm doing it like this. If you want to do it yourself and you don't have a flat iron, you can use hot water for it. So I'll be using this conditioner. I'm going to put a little bit in a bucket before adding the water into it. I'm going to pour some hot water into this. I'm just going to mix this up.
I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first.
Go ahead and start dipping the hair into the water like so. I'm just going to put this down like that on a towel. You want to let it air dry before you go in and brush it out. Okay loves, this is what it's looking like. After it's all dry up, then I brush it out. This is what it's looking like. We'll go now to the next step. The next step is what you want to do is take a rod like this size. Like you can use a mopping stick like this one that I'm using, or just a rod that looks like have this size. So you want to grab your hair, take the amount that you want, but not too small. Like that much. Fold it in two equal halves, like so. And you want to pass that through the stick. You want to pass that like that through the stick. You grab a rubber band, pass it through the stick like that. Then you want to pass one side of the hair through the stick, like so. When you get it like that, this will help to get one side secure while you're working with the other side. So you want to grab your hair. You're holding the hair a little bit, not straight like this, but a little bit sideways. And you wrap. So what you want to do is, don't try to wrap the hair around the stick, but try to wrap the stick around the hair, if I make sense. Like, don't try to do that. It makes it a little bit difficult for you. So the easiest way to do this is you just grab your hair, you hold your hair a little bit sideways, like that. Then you start rolling the stick around the hair, like so. Like so.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed. This feels like a test that I fail so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
I'm doing this just to make sure that I don't have knots on the hair. You can see I'm not going like this. So I'm using the stick to just twist it around the hair.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
When you want to twist, you're holding it close to the stick, like this, close, like that. You don't want to do this. It's not going to give you the chorus words. You want to make sure you are holding it closer to the stick, like that, like just an inch or two closer to the stick. You twist.
Nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you answer to no, man, I still go, 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 go.
Grab a rubber band, pass it through the stake, then just place it over the hair like that. It's going to give you that tension there.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally.
So I'm going to roll the next one and show you guys what it looks like.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. I don't really know what comes next.
Now you want to place the rod into a bucket and take your water from on the cup and just pour it on it like that.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. 'Cause I'll do what I want.
This is what it looks like. I'm going to put this in hot water. Then I'll go ahead and do the rest of the hair. Then I'll show you what it looks like.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts. But something deep inside.
You want to let the water drip out from the hair, but you don't want to let it dry. You want to let it a little bit, you want to take out the hair when it's still damp. You don't want to take out the hair when it's dry because it makes it a little bit difficult for it to slide out of the stake. Okay, to take this out, I will just go ahead and cut off the rubber band. Then what you want to do is you just you're just moving it a little bit so it will be able to slide out the stake.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. 'Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never.
Yeah, this is what it turns out looking like. I went ahead and did more of it. After it's all dried up, this is what it looks like. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this one, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell button at the corner so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.